Welcome to Module 3, everybody. In this module, we're going to be deep diving into landing pages. What are they? How should we use them? And how can we benefit with them using it for affiliate marketing? So throughout the training, you're going to learn Facebook ads and you're also going to learn Bing ads. So when you want to build out a landing page, there's different options. There's ClickFunnels, there's lead pages, there's HTML, and they all have their pros and cons. So we're going to dive into the computer and I'm going to show you the pros and cons between the price points differences and exactly what I use. Now I'm going to be biased. I use ClickFunnels. Now ClickFunnels to me has by far been the #1 tool in my business in creating upsells, downsell, consulting, ebooks, affiliate products. But HTML, lead pages, they can all do the same thing. So if you want something a little bit more tech, it's HTML. Now HTML, that is by far the fastest loading page speed for a landing page. ClickFunnels, they do have fast landing page speed, and lead pages also does too. So let's dive right in. So Landing Page Genius. If you've never heard of it, so what it's used for, it's essentially an HTML landing page builder. And how it works is when you use Landing Page Genius, and let's just say you create a headline, and the headline says, "Get rich today." Well, you can set up variations, and then what Landing Page Genius can do is it can set up multiple variations. You can build a couple landing pages and then have hundreds of variations. I don't personally use Landing Page Genius, but I do know other super affiliates who do prefer to use HTML for their CPA campaigns, so that is another option. Now lead pages, if you've never heard of them, they're essentially like ClickFunnels. They're a drag and drop website builder. Price point, we're at $25 to pay monthly if you pay that annually. Now Landing Page Genius, you can get this software for roughly $179. Now this is a one-time cost when you pay that $179. Lead pages, you can pay yearly or you can pay monthly. Now I'm going to let you know my favorite one. My favorite one I'll be showing you throughout this entire training is ClickFunnels. Now keep in mind you can also find cheaper landing pages. I started with ClickFunnels and then I branched out to other ones. What I found when using other funnel builders that some of them had page issues where the pages would load too slowly, or at times I would log in to edit the funnel and the funnel would be very buggy. With ClickFunnels I never run into any of those issues. Now price point. Lead pages and ClickFunnels, they both have a 14-day free trial. So what I do suggest is try both. If you don't like one of them, cancel it. Now ClickFunnels, they're the king of upsells and downsells. So let's say, for example, you sign up with ClickFunnels and you do the $97 after the 14-day. Well, what you can do is also cancel, and ClickFunnels will try to give you a downsell to give you a cheaper version of ClickFunnels. Because when you start out on ClickFunnels and you're building out all your affiliate campaigns, they give you 20 funnels. As a beginner, or if you're advanced, you may not need 20 funnels. Now a way to get ClickFunnels for $19 a month, you can actually use a share code funnel. In Module 1, I gave you a share code funnel for actually copying our business website to apply to affiliate networks. Now keep in mind, the reason I use ClickFunnels, me personally, is because I look 10 years from now, 20 years from now. When you're doing affiliate marketing and you're building a long-term business, ask yourself this: do I want to be doing this in 5 years? If so, what's my exit strategy? A couple ideas are, we're going to be building email lists, we're going to be building out campaigns profitable, but eventually you may want to be an advertiser, you may want to create your own products. And when you do, having tools as ClickFunnels is going to be easy. I'll give you an example. What I actually did is I set up an affiliate funnel. And how I set up that funnel was I collected emails when people came to the landing page. And what I did is I set up a 5-video series, which then I resold through a ClickFunnels membership site. I gave them access to those 5 videos, and then I sold it all through ClickFunnels. Now, I'm not a web developer. I'm not an expert in HTML, but 10 years ago, 5 years ago, if you wanted to wear all those hats of the business, you would have to hire an entire team to do that. Now, lead pages, they also can do that. ClickFunnels, they can also do that. In concluding, tracking is going to be the most important part. You'll be seeing all the tracking done with ClickFunnels. So if you're using WordPress or any other website builder, then use the same principles in the next module of tracking for whatever website builder you're using. So I'll see you in the next video.